When you look for the best ab roller wheel, everything seems similar. Same designs, same features. But the truth is, the real differences are hidden beneath the surface. Let's break down what actually works for building those abs and which ones you should consider.
Product number 1, VinSquire Ab Roller Wheel. The VinSquire Ab Roller Wheel, priced at $23.99. What caught my attention here is its dual wheel design that promises extra stability. If you're looking for a solid, safe way to work on your core, this is worth a serious look. So here's why this product is appealing. The 3.2-inch wheels provide a wider base, reducing the chance of tipping over, which is especially great if you're just starting out. With a maximum weight recommendation of 440 pounds, it's sturdy enough to handle most users. Plus, it comes with a knee pad for comfort during those intense workouts. In a month, over 4,000 people have bought it, showing its popularity. Now, some people have mentioned that the design feels a bit basic compared to others on the market. Here's the thing though, while it might not have all the bells and whistles, its focus on stability and comfort makes it perfect for beginners or anyone wanting to ensure they don't get hurt while training. This is perfect for you if you want a reliable and straightforward tool to get started on your abs. Skip this one if you're looking for something fancy or overly complex. For the price, it offers great value. Now, if the basic design of the VinSquire bothered you, the next product takes a different approach with added features.
Product number 2, VinSquire Ab Roller Wheel. We have another option from VinSquire, priced at just $15.99. This model caught my eye because it emphasizes precision with its slightly rounded wheel design, which is aimed at those who want to challenge their core. Here's why this matters. The unique shape helps you maintain balance while allowing for deeper, more controlled movements. With a maximum weight capacity of 300 pounds, it's solid for most users, and the EVA rubber handles add comfort as you roll. It's designed for those looking to amp up their ab workouts, especially if you're at an intermediate level and want to focus on defined abs. However, some users did find the assembly a bit tricky, which can be frustrating. But honestly, once you get it set up, the workout benefits are worth the initial hassle. You just need to take your time and follow the instructions carefully. This is perfect for you if you're looking to take your ab workouts to the next level. Skip this if you're a complete beginner or prefer something that's ready to go right out of the box. It's an affordable way to enhance your routine. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those looking for something more advanced. Product number 3, ILM Helmet. The ILM Adult Bike Helmet caught my eye for its one-piece structure with USB rechargeable lights. If safety and comfort are your top priorities, you should really consider this helmet. This helmet is certified by multiple safety standards, ensuring fantastic shock absorption. The front lights illuminate your path, while the rear lights enhance visibility behind you. It also includes 10 vents to promote airflow, keeping you cool on those long rides. Plus, the adjustable size system ensures a snug fit for various head sizes. However, it's worth noting that some users found the helmet a bit heavier than expected. Here's the thing though, the extra weight contributes to the overall safety and durability, making it a worthy trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a high level of protection and don't mind a bit more heft. Skip it if you're looking for a lightweight option, but the safety features are hard to beat. Product number 4, 2026 Upgraded Ab Roller Wheel with knee mat, priced at $27.99. This one stood out to me due to its automatic rebound assistance, which makes it great for anyone still learning the ropes. The steel spring mechanism ensures a smooth return, reducing the risk of injury while working out. The dual wheel design offers added balance, helping you stay steady as you roll out. Plus, with a maximum weight limit of 400 pounds, it's suitable for a wide range of users. The elbow support also means less strain on your wrists, letting you focus more on those abs. However, some users mentioned that it's a bit heavier compared to standard ab rollers, which could be a downside for those looking for portability. But honestly, the added weight contributes to its stability, so it's really a trade-off. This is perfect for you if you want a comprehensive tool for core strengthening that's easy to use. Skip this if you want something lightweight that you can easily carry around. It's a solid value for the features you get. Now, if you're still looking for something that offers a bit of everything, our last product might just fit the bill perfectly. Product number 5, VinSquire Ab Roller Wheel, Lake Blue. We have another variant of the VinSquire Ab Roller Wheel, this one in a stylish lake blue and black design, priced at $25.99. This caught my attention because it combines aesthetics with functionality. Just like the previous models, it features a dual wheel design for stability and a knee pad for added comfort during workouts.
With a weight capacity of 440 pounds, it's robust enough for most users. Plus, the EVA rubber handles provide a comfortable grip, which is essential when you're pushing through those last few reps. One downside some users pointed out is that the color options might not be for everyone. But honestly, if you're focused on effectiveness, the design doesn't detract from the workout benefits. This is perfect for you if you want an effective workout tool with a bit of flair. Skip this if you don't care about color and just want functionality. It's a great value for its price and features. So there you have it, 5 solid options for ab roller wheels that cater to different needs and preferences.
We've covered a range of ab roller wheels, from basic to advanced options. The VinSquare models offer great stability, while the upgraded rollers provide additional features for beginners. Whether you're just starting out or looking to enhance your workout routine, there's a solid choice for you in this list. Remember, the right tool can make all the difference in your fitness journey.